These are all the posts for around the garden. These are all fresh milled cedar, and in order to preserve them and make it so that we don't get any bug intrusion or rot over time, make them last probably 8 to 9 years versus 4 or 5. We're going to go ahead and burn them, and you'll see the bottom 3 feet where that board is at. We're going to burn that, get it nice and charred, roll them, burn all the edges and burn the ends. And then we're actually going to put preservative on it also to try to get them to last as long as possible, because the way we're constructing this, replacing them later on will be a pain in the butt. We're going to go ahead and get these charred up and go from there.
About ready to happen.
Stop trying to put my burns out. Stop trying to put water on my fire.
Babe, I don't think that it's gonna work if you freaking parboil the whole thing. Stop. Looks good. So we got it all burned up, charred, that nice char on there. Give this a couple seconds and we're gonna roll on the preservative. We're using a copper-based preservative. It just gives us an extra couple of years, makes this stuff last a little longer. A little bit of effort now, save me a lot of work in the long run. We'll go ahead and get that stuff put on here. So we're using Woodlife Copper Coat. This is a copper-based product, works really well. Comes out of the can blue, dries green. It's on the area that's gonna be under the ground. So we're putting it over the top of the area we charred.
You've just seen me do is char the end of these, get that nice crispy char on there, which locks out the bugs and helps reduce the rot. Then I put the copper coat on top. I've just kept using it up until I've got most of it gone. That's a gallon over 11 6x6s. Probably don't quite need that much, but that's what I've got, so I'm trying to use it up. A lot of you are gonna say, well, you charred it and then you put the sealer on. Yeah, and doesn't the char stop the sealer from soaking in? A little bit. But the proof's in the pudding. Unfortunately, I wasn't making YouTube when I'd done this the first couple of times. I've done it years and years and years ago. And those posts are still in the ground and still rock solid. And that was almost 11 years ago now. They have very few signs of wear at the, well, the interface between the dirt and the post. That's the most common rot area, that 2 inches above the dirt and then about 4 inches below the dirt. So basically right in this area. So in this case, the char and the sealer, which is what I did last time, works really, really, really well. I don't believe I'll have any problems with this the entire time that I need to worry about it. Hope this was informative or useful for you. Check out the video series as I go along to see where these actually get used at. Until next time, thanks for watching.